What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and this is my last monthly knife subscription box because I'm unsubscribed, so unless they send it to me for free, we'll open it up again. But yeah, so no more of this one. Check out this knife, I love this thing. Boom. So let's open it up and see what's inside of it. They were like $200. These things are really nice if you're a collector of like EDC stuff. This is the best one by far. I'm just kind of tired of repetitive content, so I figured I'll just unsubscribe, think of something else to film. So, whoa, this box is to the brim. Right away I see some Kizer, QSP, some Zippo stuff. So first of all, we'll start with Kizer. Kizer, a really good brand. They are on Amazon. Let's unbox it real quick. You can see what it is. It looks like a mid-range knife, around $50 to $100. But man, look at that. I think I'm gonna set it up. Ooh, it's a top flipper. This is actually nice. You can flip it this way, 35 VN stainless steel and titanium handle. So this one goes between 175 to 233. Usually MSRP is higher, but the actual sale a bit cheaper. So I like it. High quality, and look at that. Damascus maybe just painted. It's beautiful blue dye accent. So I guess it's titanium screws right here. But this is nice. I really like black on black. Can I open it this way? Probably the easiest way for me to open it is a top lock, or like this, like a spider flick. And it's a liner lock. Beautiful. So right away, this whole subscription box, I paid $200. My most value is in this one knife already. What a great subscription box. And we have a lot more to go. Really curious about CRKT. How much is that one? Between $35 to $50. We're gonna go on a lower end. Oh, nice. CRKT is really good. This is like one of those neck knives. Put it over like a bracelet. Easy to open it. Oh wow, that is so cute. 3 fingers. It's a butcher mini knife. So this is cool. Minimalist fold design. That is awesome. What kind of steel is that? Is it like, comes with this really cool brochure. They upgraded this. So G10 handle, very high quality material, and fixed blade, plugs in sheath, half blade green, clever style. Oh, it's a clever style blade. Yeah, it doesn't tell you what kind of materials it is. It also comes with this belt clip as well, so I can take off the lanyard and do that. So right there, that's what I got. Everything else right here is pretty much free. This is Zippo Survival Fire Striker. Is awesome with this kind of like a blower, but this striker is amazing. So how much is that go for? Striker, Zippo striker, $25, I believe that. Survival capsule, that's cool. Marbles, really good brand. What are they? $10, we'll take it. And what I see is another cool little backpack right here. Oh, shoulder strap. Let's go. What are they going for? This steampunk top hat sticker. Ha! Let's not include $5 sticker. So Molly tactical cross bag, $25. Okay, so this pretty much after everything in the Zippo is free. QSP mid-range knife right here. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. It's thick. I like it. Really big for my hands. QSP between $61 to $80. So we got right here bonus of a knife. I love it. High quality. Boom. Close it. So satisfying to open it. Left-handed, right-handed. There's a steel 14C28N, and I see it more and more. I don't know, I really like that thick handle knife. What material is that of the handle? Micarta handle, dark brown micarta handle, ceramic bearing, pivot, liner lock, drop point, blade. Anyways, a whole bunch of stuff for $200, a really good deal. So like I said earlier, I'm pretty much paying for this and maybe this, like this side here, $200, and the bonus I get this for free. A little bit of two things is kind of, to me, is kind of like a junky things, but these two things worth of $75, pretty much free. Love this subscription box.